have a 2019 Ford Escape. Customer came in with multiple issues. The biggest issue is the passenger side seat. It doesn't move up and down with a switch. And also, he said only the passenger side, the lights are flickering on and off. The lights doesn't come on all the time. Sometimes it comes on, sometimes it goes out. He said this light, it goes out. So his son found a fuse box in the passenger side trunk. There is a cover. So this is the trunk. There's a cover right here, and there is a fuse, which is number 8, which is right here at my fingertip. That's a 25 amp fuse that's blown. So he put new fuse in, immediately it pops. So something is shorted. So that wire, what we did is we went to under the seat. There is a plug. This is the main plug. This is the car side. We unplug that from the seat. Let's see. Okay, so right at my fingertip, right there, there is a plug. This plug plugs into. Once I unplug it, it still shows short in the back. When we trace the wire, it's actually connected to purple red. This wire, heavier gauge wire right here. And if you look on the connector side, it's also heavier pin than others. The 3 heavier pins on the middle row. The second one from the bottom, the center, that is the purple red. And we put the test light on it, and it's shorted. So we trace that wire to the back, which goes out to here. So this is the rear passenger seat. We open this one up. So this is the wire that we were testing. This is the wire we were testing under the seat. This is the car side, the going toward to the seat. This is coming from the fuse box. So I cut it in half to see which side is shorted. So if I touch the metal, it shows that green light. That indicates it's shorted. So I cut this wire. If I had them together, it still shows a short. This is the one from the fuse box. As you can see, come on, it's not shorted on this side. This is coming from the under the seat area. And if I touch it, you see it's shorted. So this line going toward to the seat somewhere is shorted. So we are trying to take the seat out. It's kind of difficult because the seat doesn't move. So we're going to try to get that out, and I'll let you know what we find out. Alright, so we got the seat out. This will be a fold. And one more in the back there. This guy should go to manufacturer and have them replace this entire harness. Look at this. This is the harness that goes over to the center console. I untaped it to trace this wire. Okay. I was untaping all this. What's this? See this little thing? Jamie, do me a favor. Can you shine right here first? So there's a little thing right here. Look at this. Somebody put a big screw here.
What's underneath?
What the heck is this big screw here?
Is there like something underneath the car?
Look at this. It went right through the harness.
Somebody put lights on it?
I guess this isn't the manufacturer's screw. Alright, let's see what's underneath. Okay, somebody put a bolt here. Right there. See this bolt right here? Who the hell put that bolt there? I don't know what that is. But I guess this panel was loose and they decided to just put bolt, self-tapping bolt right up there. Alright. So that screw, that bolt, came up right here, went through this harness here, and showed it out. How about that? I have never seen that. Look at this. It's not just one wire that's been cut. Multiple wires. He had an airbag indication on. Look at this. It went right through the main power harness. That's the seat belt. I mean the power seat. I bet you these are all for the airbags. Good thing it didn't pop the airbag, but look at this. A whole bunch of wires have gone through. Just because that stupid bolt, they decide to put it up from the bottom up and did all this.
That's factory bolt?
No, that's not a factory, Jim. That's an aftermarket one.
Let's put some insulation.
We cleaned out all the mess underneath.
Yeah.
Seat is working, as you can see. We gotta clear the check engine light and airbag lights. No more check engine, no more airbag lights on. Clear them all.